Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on Gmail, we click on Settings. In this page, you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, we can search about Gmail and you can click. Then you can click on First Stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to Storage. Here you can click Clear Cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.